Welcome back to the Business Safari. I'm Leo, and today we're exploring the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing stand for product, price, place, and promotion. These 4 P's guide businesses in creating effective marketing strategies to meet consumer needs and achieve competitive advantage. Let's break down each P, starting with product. Product is what you're selling. It could be a physical item, a service, or even an idea. When thinking about your product, consider, what does your customer need or want? What features does your product have? And how is it different from competitors? The second P of marketing is price. Price is how much you charge for your product. When setting your price, think about, how much does it cost to produce? What are competitors charging? And what is the perceived value to customers? The third P of marketing is place. Place is where and how customers can buy your product. For place, consider the following. Will you sell in physical stores or online? How will you distribute your product? And where do your target customers shop? And finally, we have promotion. Promotion is how you communicate with customers about your product. For promotion, think about the following. What marketing channels will you use? What's your advertising message? And how will you build brand awareness? Remember, the 4 P's work together. A change in one often affects the others. For example, if you improve your product, you might be able to increase the price. Or if you change your place to online only, you'll need to adjust your promotion strategy. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've learned about the 4 P's of marketing. Remember, the 4 P's of marketing guide businesses in creating effective marketing strategies to meet consumer needs and achieve competitive advantage. The 4 P's include product, what you're offering to customers; price, how much you're charging for it; place, where and how customers can buy it; and promotion, how you communicate about your product. These 4 elements work together to create your marketing strategy. By carefully considering each P, you can better meet your customers' needs and stand out in the marketplace. And that wraps up our safari through the 4 P's of marketing. I'm Leo, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business videos.